yung DDS, yung term ng DDS, siguro sa amin dito, Danao, General Coy, General Gamboa was never a chief of police but na-assign yan sa Davao sa Police Regional Office 11. Ako, assign ako ng Davao as City Director. At doon ako nagsimula yung career ko sa Davao City. Just this weekend, Mr. Chair, in-interview ako ng mga media ng Davao nung umuwi ako. And harap-harapan, sinabihan ko sila, kayo kasi, mga media ng Davao, kayo nag-imbento nung term ng Davao Death Squad. Pag may namatay, binabalita kagad niyo, Davao Death Squad, Davao Death Squad. Kayo ang nag-imbento ng term na yan. Sabi ko sa media ng Davao. And later on, one of the media ng Davao, dinibunk yung aking statement. Sabi niya, sir, with due respect, bago namin yan na-create yung term na yan ng Davao Death Squad, meron kasing isang namatay, sir, may isang namatay, binaril, may nakalagay doon na placard na Davao Death Squad. Kaya doon nag-start yung paggamit namin ng term ng Davao Death Squad. So therefore, sabi ko, okay, I will correct my statement. Hindi kayo ang nag-imbento, but kayo ang nag-propagate ng word na yan. So yun na, lumaki na nagiging ginamit niya. Pag may binaril, sabihin kagad, Davao Death Squad. Kahit na binaril dahil jealousy ang motibo, or kaya malaking utang, nakadispal ko ng pera, binaril, DDS kagad ang pinapalabas na term. So, yan na, lumaki na yung pangalan na Davao Death Squad, Mr. Chair.
Yan na po yung intervention niya po.
Yan, yun na. Thank you.
Sige po, before I return the floor to Senator Estrada. Doon sa umami na naging chief, sino? Chief Catilino Coy, naging chief ka. Danao, naging chief kayo. Do you mind or don't you mind having been called as the head of the Davao Death Squad by the former president?
I think he's just joking, sir.
Okay.
Pero kagaya nga po ng sinabi ng ating mayor, sir, in my stint of almost 3 years as the city director of Davao, wala po talaga yan yung sasabihin na you kill him, you kill... Wala pong gano'n, sir. So it's just a matter of taking things on your hand. If you will take it literally, yung sinasabi niya sa media. Kung ano yung sinasabi niya ngayon, sir, yun na yung sinasabi niya. Pero yung kamong sasabihin niya na, Danao, patayan mo sa ganito, there's no such thing, sir. Na gano'n. So walang ganong nautos.
Is there a danger that your men will incorrectly interpret what the mayor was saying?
Well, nung panahon ko, sir, as city director, I don't deny, sir, that there were some killings. Pero talagang, ang tao ko, sir, ilan din ang na-hospital dyan. Even in my term as my regional director of 4A in NCRPO and MPD, on record yan, sir, nasa hospital. Hindi lang, sir, nasa hospital, kundi namatay yung pulis natin. So, anong gagawin, sir, ng pulis pag ikaw ang nasa sitwasyon namin, sir? Are we going to allow just to kill the PNP there? So siguro, sir, maging emotional man tayo rito, sir, pero kami po mismo is nasa front line in enforcing the law. Pero there's no such thing as sabihin na patayin mo lang si ganito, no. Walang ganon, sir.
Sige. Can we hear from Catilino Coy?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, General.
I mind very much me being associated with the DDS because during that time when I was the city director of Davao, it was really a problem for us, especially the unsolved killings. Actually, we had a case in Ombudsman because of that, because of command responsibility. It is really a challenge for the PNP to investigate those cases because even the relatives of some of the victims refused to cooperate. And we believe also, and there was a suspicion that there were really some PNP personnel and even some civilian individuals who are involved in those incidents.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Senator Jingo, you have last 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. You want something?
Yes, Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of the SP Pro Tempore.
Yes, Senator Risa.
Opo, Mr. Chair. Kasi siguro napansin, pati ng former president, yung shock ng lahat. Bakit, sir, yan ba ang trabaho ng pulis? Na pumatay ng mga suspected criminals? Sir, yung mic nyo.
Pag dumaban. Bakit
Iba
sila
po yung pagka-express kasi kanina, so I had to clarify.
Bakit
Salamat,
sila-
SP Pro Tempore.
bakit sila
Salamat, Mr.
pagkamatay?
Chair. No. Hindi yan ang tanong ko. Talagang napaka hindi magandang impression po ng mga statements kanina. Kaya I appreciate the candor of Yusek Kuy at pati kanina ni General Danao
Look, ma'am,
about it.
may I
Salamat kayo, Mr.
interrupt
Chair.
you?
I'm done, Mr. Chair, for now.
Kindly.
Go ahead,
Itong
sir.
mga to, ma'am, galing ito ng mga sa Academy PMA. Hindi ito mga bubo. Hindi rin ito papayag na utusan mo ng illegal. Doon yan sa Academy nila, sa PMA, they are from there to, yung ano talaga yung batas. Kaya pag inutusan mo yan, sabihin mo, patayin mo, sabihin, sir, mukhang hindi pwede yan, sir. I tried. Ako mismo, I tried. Ako, marami ako, patay mo, sir. Kulong mo na lang natin, sir. Total. Sabi ko siya, siguraduhin mo lang na hindi ma-release. Kasi gagawa ng kalukuhan yan uli. And they will mag-hold up na naman yan. Yan ang lalo na yung mga kaso na magnakaw tapos mag-rape tapos magpatay o
Mr. Chair.
Like, can we let the President complete his sentence? What were you trying to say, sir? That
Yes,
pagka mag-rape, magpatay, magnakaw, magpatay, and then what do we do with them?
ganun na lang ang sadness ko sa trabaho ko.
Thank you.
Kaya hindi ko lang sinabi ko yan kasi hindi ko lang sila mautusan ng gano'n na gaya na sinabi ko, putang ina, nag-rape ng bata, yan pinatay, patayin mo. Hindi ko mautusan itong mga to. Sabi ko, karamihan sila PMA, hindi maniwala yan ang ganon. Sabi man, sir, mahirap yan. Kulungin na lang natin, sir. Walang dumaan yan sila sa... There was never a time na sinabi ko, patayin ninyo yan. Minsan yung harap-harapan sa crime scene, nakita ko yung bata, 3 years old, rape, patay, tapos nandoon yung tiyuhin. Kung sinabi ko, putang, patayin mo. Out of outrage. In the moment of outrage yung, putang, patayin mo. Sir, kulungin na lang natin yan, sir.
Ano nangyari doon, Mr. President? Yung insidente na yun, napatay nga yung tito? Pinatay? Hindi.
Hindi.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Senator Risa.
Alam ko po na matatalino mga taga-Philippine Military Academy. Hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban.
Yes.
Para mapatay, para masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
Ito sa very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if I may
Yes.
say, as a
It's
civilian,
not,
sa professional police.
It
Salamat
depends
kayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, mine.
It's not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang
kayo,
totoo
Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator
putting it on record,
Hindi tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
At
Alam
kung
niyo,
pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
silence please.
O sa